Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Subaru Impreza versus truck. We'll dive into key differences like fuel efficiency, cargo capacity, and overall driving experience to help you decide which vehicle best suits your needs. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed purchase. We'll cover everything from city commutes to heavy-duty tasks, ensuring you have a clear picture of each option. When it comes to fuel economy, the Subaru Impreza generally outperforms trucks, offering up to 36 miles per gallon on the highway. Trucks, especially full-size models, typically achieve between 18 and 24 miles per gallon combined. This difference can significantly impact your daily driving costs. The Impreza's compact size also makes it more agile and easier to maneuver in city traffic and tight parking spots, a definite advantage for urban commuters. For serious hauling and towing, trucks are the clear winner, with some heavy-duty models capable of towing up to 40,000 pounds. The Subaru Impreza, while not designed for heavy towing, offers a respectable 56 cubic feet of cargo space with its rear seats folded down, suitable for everyday items. The Impreza's standard all-wheel drive provides excellent traction, while trucks typically boast higher ground clearance, often exceeding 8 inches, which is beneficial for off-road adventures or navigating rough terrain. Both the Subaru Impreza and modern trucks come equipped with advanced safety features. The Impreza often includes EyeSight driver assist technology, featuring automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist. Trucks also offer comprehensive safety systems like collision avoidance and blind spot detection. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs, whether it's fuel efficiency for commuting or robust capability for work and adventure. Don't forget to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.